You usually rinse the razor under the faucet while shaving, which isn't particularly convenient or practical because it wastes water and leaves hairs all over the place. A tidy solution is provided by the razor rinser. It cleans and shines your blades with just 118 milliliters of water. The makers claim that it can be used with any cartridge razor, and they have set the price at $26 on Kickstarter. The future can take us by surprise at times. What about a smartphone app that allows you to cook? For example, consider the 500-foot temperature rise. It works well for grilling, smoking, and cooking meat and poultry. Its probes, which may be placed into a variety of foods, provide this adaptability. Two probes, one for temperatures up to 100 degrees Celsius and another for temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, are included in the set. The thermometer gathers the information and uses Bluetooth 5.2 to transfer into your smartphone. For $80, you can start using this cutting-edge cooking experience. It's time to start considering drinks now that dinner is almost ready. If you enjoy beer, you should be aware of these two practical accessories that we have discovered. The Husky 2.0, which costs $33, comes first. It is a useful tool to have around because it serves three purposes. First, it keeps your drink cold thanks to its insulation. Second, it can be used as a glass and a holder for cans and bottles, making it easy to hold without your hands slipping. And third, it has a bottle opener at the bottom that also works on cans. The second accessory gives your party a true bar vibe. Let me introduce you to Physics, a dispenser that aims to deliver a consistently delicious pour of beer from cans and bottles with style. In addition to producing gorgeous foam Physics, holding containers up to 750 milliliters and being powered by two AA batteries or a USB connection, you won't have to worry about sharing little cans of rare stout with a large group of people. You may purchase the dispenser for $98. This multi-tool, which is the size of a credit card, may surprise you. The designers were able to include not 10, 20 or even 30 features in this small gadget. In addition to the bottle opener, it comes with a nail puller, screwdrivers, wire cutters, rulers and wrenches. Exploring all of its potential will take some time. The multi-tool also includes a detachable clip made of 420 stainless steel that may be used to hold credit cards and cash. The cost is $33. The Wow Stick Tick is a little rig that uses USB Type-C to charge. With speeds of up to 400 RPM and 8 supplied hardened steel drill bits that range in size from 0.8 to 2.2 mm, it's excellent for precision work on materials like cardboard, plastic, and even metal. It only takes 40 minutes to fully charge and it may be used for 2 hours. For a firm grip, the pen-like body has a matte, fine-grained texture. The cost of the Wow Stick is $52. Hunting enthusiasts can really benefit from the inventive scent blender system. It enables you to make a spray that masks the smells of you and your gear, but this isn't just any spray. Raw ingredients collected straight from your preferred hunting area are used to make it. Acorns, leaves from creek water, or anything else you can find can all be mixed together in about a minute to produce roughly 350 milliliters of liquid. Are you prepared to apply this fragrance? The cost of the blender is $89. This pickup truck's driver was driving along when all of a sudden one of his tires fell flat. The closest service facility was unfortunately too far away because he was in a rural area, but the Astro AI compressor made it possible to inflate all 4 tires because it can run continuously for approximately 40 minutes and delivers up to 11 atmospheres of pressure. Either the car battery or the cigarette lighter may power the Astro AI. You may even swap between measuring units, and the control rollers are simple to operate. Very practical. The cost of the Astro AI is $56. Hunters have already been discussed, but what about fishermen? With a throwing range of 50 meters and a scanning depth of 50 meters with deeper starts, the deeper start is an intriguing device for them. It makes it easy to comprehend the underwater topography, identify the depth of the fish, and even gauge their size. This convenient fish finder has a 6-hour battery life and weighs only 65 grams. Why not purchase something so practical for $144? You have enough change now that you have this belt to purchase a contemporary tie. The trouble of tying a knot has been eliminated by designers. Instead, it just fastens to start shirt stop button using a fabric strip that is magnetized. The regular tie has a varied design and is made of silk that complements both casual and corporate attire. It cost $41. The Japanese never cease to astound us. The tightener is a combination of a fidget toy and a slide rule. 2 independently revolving rings are a feature of this unusual device. To measure a section, roll it across a table. The outer ring makes a pleasing click after one complete turn, which is equivalent to 10 centimeters. Considering that the tightener cost $53, it's an entertaining method of measurement. For those who enjoy shooting, Colwell has produced some excellent equipment. Matrix, a shooting rest, comes first. Even long magazines can be easily inserted into its U-shaped middle groove. Its spring-loaded height adjustment from KN to 76mm and its detachable center stop that doubles as storage are its most notable features, which cost $55. The Matrix is a wise purchase. Combine the Matrix with Colwell's flashbang, a steel target hit indication. When you strike the mark, 10 brilliant LEDs light up, making it ideal for long-range training. Even in direct sunlight, these LEDs can be clearly seen. It can fire up to 30,000 rounds and is sensitive enough to detect 5.56 into 45mm rounds at 900 meters. It is powered by 3 AA batteries. The cost of the flashbang is $30. You may be wondering if the Whisker Dam is a design solution, a souvenir, or a glass decoration after witnessing it. The fact is considerably simpler. Actually, it's an item meant to keep your mustache safe. The Whisker Dam, which costs $27 and is made of faceted copper, is quite comfortable to wear and will prevent beer or coffee foam from ruining your facial hair. This electric knife sharpener is amazing and professional. Equipped with a German motor, this 3-stage diamond sharpener is ideal for ceramic blades and is also ideal for fillet knives because of its 15-degree sharpening angle. In addition to having a magnet to capture any steel particles, the spring guides run the entire length of the blade, guaranteeing a perfect finish. You can get all of this for $90. As summer draws to a close, it's time for hunting, fishing, camping, and other outdoor activities. There are 3 temperature settings on this electric hand warmer: 50, 59, and 65 degrees Celsius. The outside layer is waterproof, while the interior fleece lining is snug and soft. Note that you will require an additional 5V2 power supply because it does not come with its own battery. Fortunately, there is a $30 pocket for your phone and battery. It's quite a terrific bargain. Last but not least, a novel product design has been created especially for men with long, thick beards. It combines a flat iron and comb in a novel way, and it is known as Barbossa. The goal is to simultaneously heat up and comb your beard. Your beard will get smooth and gorgeously lustrous if you set the temperature between 170 and 210 degrees Celsius and apply a little balm. The entire procedure appears to be enjoyable and takes only a few minutes. You may also be sure that Barbossa has flair because it was designed in Paris, one of the fashion capitals of the world. The Indiegogo price, starting at just $49, is almost shocking. A grill apron for $81. Let's examine why the cost is justified. In order to store spatulas, tongs, and other equipment close at hand, it first has 10 pockets and 5 D-rings. Last but not least, the apron is very adaptable. The basic style looks like a kilt with the upper part offered separately. Additional protection panels are offered for larger clients, and it fits waist up to 117 centimeters. The designers of this belt are quite skilled. In a single Kickstarter campaign, they raised around $160,000 for this model, and their prior products have sold over 100,000 units combined. The exquisite adaptability of this high-end accessory, which boasts over 40 positions with each step spaced just 6 mm apart, is equally as impressive as its luxury materials, which include full-grain leather and titanium. For an item that starts at $59, that is quite an accomplishment. However, you cannot always shave with a typical razor, whether you are on a business trip, a road trip, or staying at a friend's house. Zr-M comes in helpful. It's a pocket-sized razor the size of an AirPods case that provides a tight shave thanks to its 8000 RPM engine. The 0.01mm thick stainless steel mesh provides a flawless shave. It even includes a nose hair trimmer attachment. Zr-M is available on Kickstarter starting at $69. Gerber created the Hop Plier, a multifunctional tool that saves space in your backpack without sacrificing fishing comfort. It's particularly useful for handling baits. Gerber took everything you know about the hemostat and paired it with a set of fishing pliers, hooks, and lines, as well as a tiny sharpening file. The pliers are simple to use because they are spring-loaded. The Hem Plier costs $54 and weighs only 120 grams. Folding t-shirts, pants, towels, and other items the way they are folded in stores is possible with Box Legend. It's so simple that even a child can do it. it packing a bag or rearranging your closet is made simple with the Box Legends 6 panels joined by unique hinges. For about $19, this polypropylene made device is not only quick but also enjoyable to use. A toilet seat that can be raised and lowered without the use of your hands is called a seat swing. How helpful do you think that is? Just to be clear, the designers use the push to open mechanism that is typical of garbage cans instead of Bluetooth infrared sensors or any other fancy technology. For $45, the seat is made of Duroplast, which makes it long lasting and simple to clean. Where do you store your gear, such as your phone, water bottle, protein bars, and locker key while you are working out at the gym? It is inconvenient to place them on the floor, and you do not want to overburden yourself. In this situation, the Mag Mug bag is useful because it is magnetic, it can easily cling to metal surfaces and support up to 4 kilograms. The purpose of the side parts is to support your smartphone so you can take simple selfies. The handle features a built-in carabiner that is ideal for holding your keys, and it doesn't require a tripod. This was well thought out by the designers, and for $40 it's also a good value. There is a sizable market for holsters, and numerous manufacturers provide practical variants that can simultaneously contain handcuffs and a magazine. There are many choices. For example, the CU9BH model is made to work with 40 and 9mm magazine and some Smith & Wesson handcuffs. For ease of use, it costs $34. M and Tech lock mounts are included with several versions. The low-profile design and the concealed carry capability are important features that certain consumers may like. The crampons complete the list for today. With hybrid mounts, amazing lightweight and variety of tooth shapes, the engineers who created these models truly outdid themselves. The benefits of any model can be too much to handle. For instance, Ming uses the AirTech Light crampons, which are excellent for hiking on glaciers despite weighing only 592 grams. Then there are the G12 pneumatic Evo crampons, which include a mechanism that removes snow build-up with each step, in addition to having 12 points that can be utilized anywhere. High quality equipment like this has a cost. These units cost $170 and $200 respectively.